Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the 2022 Forest River Forester Model 2381A. Now this is a Forest River Forester TS. TS stands for Transit Series, and this is what I like to call a B+ motorhome. Technically it's a Class C, but what I love about it is the van look, the van shape, nice smooth profile. And what I really love about this motorhome, this is going to be priced about $50,000 to $60,000 better than a traditional B van motorhome. This is on the Ford Transit Series chassis, EcoBoost and all-wheel drive, super nice. Now, when we look at this, this is a small motorhome, but when we go on the inside, you're going to see that it's this much wider than a B van on each side, but it's going to be about double the square footage on the inside. So if you guys have been in B vans, you'll notice how small and tight they are and little. This one's awesome. We're going to start back here. This motorhome actually has its own sectioned off bedroom, which is fantastic. You got a double bed that's walk around, plenty of size, TV space and everything, which is very, very nice. Over here is the restroom, and it's an actual restroom. Again, comparing this to B vans, a lot of times they're going to have wet baths, which means that you're taking your bath, your shower, and you're using the restroom all in the same spot. This way you at least have your own designated toilet and everything. Right here's the kitchen. Got a fridge right here. Nice little cooktop. Right over here's where your living room area is. And if you do have the occasional guest, you plop these down and it makes another bed. There is a table underneath on this side and some storage on this side. And in the cockpit area, very, very nice. Again, guys, easy to drive. It's going to give you good fuel economy and everything. And then above the cockpit, you have a TV entertainment center for when you get to where you're going. Guys, this is an amazing unit and an amazing price. And if you're interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click our link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.